Hi, this is Greg Thomas from Leadership Excellence Limited. Welcome to our channel. Today I want to welcome you to experience a motivational minute. Don't ever forget the promise and opportunity offered by each new day. We can't change the past, but the decisions that we make beginning today will forever change your future. So let's get started on a motivational minute. Many of us get frustrated when we face obstacles in our lives or in business. But do you know why obstacles really exist? Allow me to quote to you from the late Randy Paush, the author of The Last Lecture. He used the metaphor that an obstacle is like facing a brick wall. He stated, and I quote, "The brick walls are there for a reason. The brick walls are not there to keep us out. The brick walls are there to give us a chance to show how badly we want something. The brick walls are there to stop the people who don't want it badly enough." End of quote. He was exactly right. The brick walls are not there to define us, but to refine us into deeper levels of commitment and the resolve to succeed. Just like muscle mass is developed by resistance, so too is our resolve and persistence. Growth comes from overcoming barriers, not from comfort or convenience. So the next time you face an obstacle, remember this. Here's a chance for you to show the world and prove to yourself just how badly you want this. Don't allow anything to stop you from reaching your goals. If you find a path with no obstacles, it probably doesn't lead anywhere. When you face an obstacle, figure out how to climb over it, plow through it, or pivot around it. The truth is that most obstacles appear to be larger than they really are. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for being a part of a Motivational Minute. If the information you heard today was helpful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and please give us a like. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified of new videos I post. This is Greg Thomas on behalf of Leadership Excellence Limited. See you next time.